Your job is to do your job, not to worry about me. That's what I'm saying. Well, I worry about me. You worry about your self.
Ever seen a man accused of triple murder behave like this? Hi guys, and welcome to Phenomenon, where we bring you the bizarre, the creepy, and most importantly, the scariest happenings of real life. Today, we are going to talk about Bryce Rhodes, a triple murder defendant from Louisville, Kentucky, who has zero remorse for the horrible things he did to innocent people.
Mr. Rhodes, you're smiling. I don't know why you're smiling.
Because I can.
Well,
Because I can. It's not a crime to smell.
it's not a crime to
Continue
smile,
what you were saying.
but it doesn't help you, all right, to irritate people.
All right.
And you have a lot at stake in this case.
It's not a crime to smell, is it?
Local rapper Bryce "Rambo" Rhodes was only 25 years old when he was charged with the killing of 14-year-old Larry Ordway and his 16-year-old brother, Maurice Gordon. On May 4th, the brothers were driving around with Bryce when he jumped out of the car and shot 40-year-old Christopher Jones.
Police say Rhodes shot and killed Christopher Jones in early May. Then later that month, detectives say he and two teens are accused of killing two other teens. Police believe Rhodes thought the teen brothers would snitch on him for the original murder.
2.5 weeks later, the bodies of Larry Ordway and Maurice Gordon were discovered in the backyard of an abandoned house near River Park Drive, east of Shawnee Park. They have been beaten and stabbed to death before the killers decided to set their bodies on fire. When police interviewed Bryce Rhodes about Maurice and Larry, he denied, saying he has no idea about the brothers.
Where they run away to? Like,
Well, if we knew that, man, we wouldn't be here.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, I wish I could help. Knew what it was. You know, I don't.
But when police asked the same question to 15-year-old Anjuan Carter, another teen from Bryce's squad, Carter revealed that Bryce feared the brothers were going to snitch about Jones's murder. Hence, he silenced them too.
He made Maurice go to his knees, like beg for forgiveness. Like he put a Bible over his head, and he put a rag in his mouth. He stabbed him. We moved Maurice to the side, and we broke his brother, and we put the tobacco over his head. He put the tobacco over his head, and put the sock in his mouth. Like, started stabbing him too.
On May 24th, police arrested Bryce Rhodes from Preston Highway, 2 days after the bodies were found.
The 26-year-old is locked up, accused of murdering 3 people, including 2 teens.
Bryce Rhodes, listen to the complaint against you, please.
And he's racked up new assault and terroristic threatening charges while in Metro Corrections.
7 hours after his arrest, Bryce was charged with the double murder of the brothers based on a plethora of evidence, such as blood from his apartment that he tried to clean with bleach. After his arrest, Bryce's behavior went worse.
Inmate threw urine through the crack of his door, striking Officer Briles in the head, neck, and left ear.
Rhodes was brought to court on May 31st for a brief hearing where he had to be strapped and tied to a chair with a mask put on his face to prevent him from spitting on his attorneys and judges. It is evident from Rhodes' outrageous behavior that he feels no guilt over the innocent lives he took. But what makes him evil incarnate is the fact that he constantly swears to take revenge on everyone responsible for him ending up in prison.
Why y'all have me come out like this for?
I think you know why.
What?
You know exactly why. Now, listen, stop talking. Have been.
Oh my God.
Are you done?
No, I ain't done.
You've been charged in the
What I've
4th
been
degree.
charged with? Why
I'm
you
going to keep
charging
talking
me
because I don't want to have to see you back here for this.
What you think? Where you live at? What you think at? None of that. I ain't do.
So you're saying you're going to find out where I'm out?
None of that. You got something? I'll be out.
Carter, one of Rhodes' accomplices who was charged with 10 years at the age of 15, was later requested for probation due to pleading guilty.
I wish the outcome was different. I wouldn't, if I knew this wouldn't happen, I wouldn't have hung out with Maurice and Larry.
But Judge Cunningham dismissed the plea and ordered Carter to serve the rest of his sentence in the adult prison.
Fairness in this case would probably say, we need to put a needle in your heart. That's the only fair way to resolve. Justice, however, doesn't necessarily mandate that we kill you, much less keep you incarcerated for any particular period of time.
The case, which had been riling up for 7 years, faced delay when Rhodes' attorney pleaded for a competency evaluation. But on April 21, 2023, Judge Kalin set the trial to begin on December 11th, stating Bryce Rhodes is perfectly competent to stand trial, as per psychiatric evaluation.
I don't believe that any of the evidence through testimony today is conclusive that Mr. Rhodes isn't just making the decision to not participate with his attorneys. I don't think that necessarily makes him incompetent.
Rhodes' trial is now expected to begin in December 2023. He's being held on a $1 million full cash bond. For more true scary stories, keep watching Phenomenon, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Do share and like this video if you're a fan of the creepy and bizarre. We'll be back with some more real-life incidents very soon.